Cohesive. Unleash your creativity and productivity with the most powerful AI editor. Welcome to the world of Cohesive, where creativity and productivity meet the power of AI. In this video, we'll explore the incredible features of Cohesive, the AI editor that's designed to elevate your writing experience and take your work to new heights. 1. Overview. Cohesive is your ultimate writing companion, enabling you to seamlessly create, refine, edit, and publish your work with ease. Whether you're crafting marketing content, sales emails, support documents, or even personal writing like cover letters and LinkedIn bios, Cohesive has got you covered. 2. AI Editor. One of the standout features of Cohesive is its powerful AI editor. With this feature, you can effortlessly edit text, images, and even language translations to ensure that each word is precisely crafted to perfection. This means that you can refine and improve your content with ease, resulting in high-quality, polished work. 3. Content Inspiration. Feeling stuck or in need of fresh ideas? Cohesive has the solution. As you write in the editor, you'll receive content ideas and inspiration for your next creation. No more writer's block or lack of creativity. With Cohesive, you'll never run out of ideas. 4. Curated Templates. Cohesive offers over 50 hand-picked curated templates for various purposes such as SEO, ad copywriting, marketing copywriting, and social media content. These templates save you time and effort by providing a starting point for your writing and ensuring that you're following best practices. 5. Versatility. Cohesive is incredibly versatile and caters to a wide range of industries and roles. Marketers can maximize their ROI by generating high-converting AI content, growing social media presence, improving search engine rankings, and creating ad copies that drive digital growth. Sales professionals can increase their sales quota with AI-generated content, conversion-focused emails, subject lines that boost open rates, and convert prospects into profits. Support teams can benefit from Cohesive's lightning-fast customer support with AI-powered conversations, immediate responses to customer queries, quick support document creation, and comprehensive FAQs. And on a personal level, Cohesive can transform your personal writing by enhancing it with AI-powered improvements, helping you stand out with compelling cover letters and stellar LinkedIn bios, accelerating your content creation process. 6. Future Plans. But that's not all. The creators of Cohesive have exciting future plans. They're developing a browser extension that will allow you to use Cohesive without limitations across Gmail, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, and any other platform you may use. This will make it even easier and more convenient to access Cohesive's features wherever you work. 7. Alternatives. If you're curious about other AI tools, there are several alternatives you may find useful. Humata AI, Sidekick, Teal Resume Builder, StockImage AI, Durable, Superflows, ChatSimple, Co-Writer AI, Writerly AI, Creer.ai, Retero, Maker AI, Peter AI, Email Dojo, and Copy.ai are just a few of the options available. Conclusion. In conclusion, Cohesive is an exceptional AI tool that can greatly enhance your writing and productivity. With its powerful features, diverse use cases, and future plans for expansion, it's a tool worth considering for anyone in need of an AI-driven editor. Try it out for yourself and experience the difference Cohesive can make in your work. Unleash your creativity and productivity with Cohesive today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. For more updates and information, visit Cohesive's official website. Happy writing with Cohesive, where your ideas come to life.